Hi friends. Hi friends. Today we're talking about conditional probability. So let's take a look. For your notes, you'll want to write this part down. What this is saying is P, the probability of B given that A has already happened. The formula here is that we do the probability of both A and B. So what satisfies both of those over what just satisfies A only. Okay, so what does that all mean? Let's take a look at our first example here. The first one says, what is the probability of landing on an even number given the spot is shaded? So our even number, the probability of an even number, that's our B, given the spot is shaded, that's our A. So our A is shaded and our B is even. Now, what we need to do is figure out the probability of B given that A has happened. So what satisfies both of these? What is both even and shaded? Well, it looks like we have 1, 2, and that's it, just 2. So we have 2 out of. Now we have to do over our A, which is our shaded. So now we have to say, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are shaded. So the probability of landing on an even number given that the spot is shaded is 1 out of 3. Let's try another one. All right, so let's say we pick a number between 1 and 30. What is the probability of a multiple of 3 given that it is odd? Remember, this is your B and this is your A. So I want something that fulfills both of those requirements. Well, first, I listed all the numbers 1 through 30 here, and I'm going to go through and box in my multiples of 3 so you can see. 15, and we've got 24 here, 18, and then 27 and 30. Okay, so the P of A is our odds, right? So how many of these are odd altogether? That's going to be 15 of them, right? So like 1, 3, 5, 7, you get the idea. Now, P of B and A, so what fulfills both multiple of 3 and is odd? Let's try a different color. Multiple of 3 and is odd. So we've got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5. So the way that we would write this is a multiple of 3, given that it is odd, is going to be 5 out of 15 or 1/3. I totally didn't plan for those to be both 1/3, but you get the idea. The next video we'll talk about two-way tables, which is a better way to dive into this. So you may want to just jump ahead to that video. All right, we'll see you next time.